gosh.
last time.
Literally, it looks like Kanye in this one too.
I don't know how you're seeing Kanye.
So we have a great announcement to make, and if you guys have been paying attention to our channel, then you might have picked up on it.
You saw the title.
Like, why
you
would
clicked
you
on
click
this.
on it?
You saw the thumbnail. You saw the title.
You already know what it's about. You already know what's going down.
You
Our
already know
mother
our
is
mom- yeah, there you go.
pregnant.
So come on into
Pregnant?
the video.
Pregnant.
Preg Ant.
Come on.
Just a little bit of a bump.
A little bit. But he does a whole ton of ultrasound pictures.
It looks like an alien.
These are like the only ones you can really see it in, and then
This one looks like Kanye.
Okay, hold on. Hold on.
The doctor
First
said
of
it
all,
was a
I am
boy.
13 weeks along. We've been waiting to tell you guys because, well, I'm old. So we wanted to wait until I was
Say that again.
We wanted to wait until I was in the safe zone and wait till the doctor was like, everything looks good. We're all good to go. So I'm 13 weeks along. I'm like 1/3 of the way done.
Did the
So-
kids know? The other kids? Did you tell them, or did they just think you were getting a beer
Oh.
gut?
What?
huh?
You guys knew, right?
I knew before.
No, I knew. You brought me upstairs and you were like,
Emma and I
you
knew
were
2
like,
days before.
no, I feel like I should tell you. And
I
you're
don't-
like, Noah, have you noticed anything different with me? And I was like, no.
Why are you
and
doing
then
her voice like
What
that?
did
I don't know.
That's his mother.
That's my mother.
Yeah, so I looked down and I was like,
But you weren't gonna say it because
you've gotten a little bit bigger. And I was like, oh my gosh, you're pregnant.
questions I know you guys are all already typing down there in the comments is, why'd you guys wait? Why is she having a baby when she's so old? Why?
I don't think
I-
anything.
No,
feel
no,
like they'd
no,
be
that's a
asking the
question. No,
gender,
that's a question they asked
the
with
name.
Micah.
Really?
So
You weren't
this-
even that old last time. You're like an old lady
No,
now.
like 2 years
I know.
old.
Okay,
How
Well,
old are
we're
you? Are you
60.
like 39?
I'm 40 years old.
Whoa.
I'm 40 years old and I'm pregnant with a baby.
Whoa.
We were not trying to get pregnant. This is a complete happy surprise. There was no medical intervention. This was
I'm a magic man.
this is very miraculous.
I'm
This is
just-
very miraculous. Okay, let's just put it like that. Anyway, we don't know whether it's
Or
a girl or a
Kanye.
boy yet,
Kanye.
but I would like the
Kanye.
I would like the kids to look at the.
Okay,
I've already seen
so
these.
names I like are like for a girl is Mila, Anya, and Enya. Like Anya and
Oh my gosh, Enya!
Sail away, sail away, sail.
that one song.
The syllable has to end it up.
Yeah, I
Gordon
like
Ramsay.
I like Anya and Enya.
What about if it's a boy?
I don't have any
Kanye.
ideas.
I
about
didn't like
Anna?
Luca for a
Yeah,
girl.
Luca's
Frozen.
cool.
Now the kids are going to analyze the sonogram pictures and try to guess whether it's male or female, and we're going to put the photos up on the screen so you guys can guess too.
Well, okay,
And
Based on these pictures, I think it's an alien. Based on the information I know, I think it's a girl.
Yeah.
Based on the information from the doctor, I think it's a boy.
The doctor said it's a boy, but our mom
Hold
very
on.
much
no.
Okay, no,
It's
no, no.
not. It's not a doctor. We got these pictures from the the sonogram places. They're like it's entertainment purposes only. It's not really a doctor. You just go in and then they do like a sonogram. So you've got pictures, and I wanted pictures to show you guys, and I just wanted pictures.
But like, okay, so
I would say that there was somebody very official at the Renaissance Festival that made a statement.
Yes.
Very official.
Whenever we went to the Renaissance Festival / fair, there was a lady that came up and she was like, "Hi, yes, I am Gypsy." She didn't talk like
Wait,
that.
do you
She's
remember
talking
the
normal
Southern
person.
California Renaissance
She
Fair?
said, "I'm a Gypsy," and I know. Was it before you knew that you were pregnant?
No, I know. I was
Okay, but she was like, "There's a child. It's a girl."
No, you told
No,
her.
I told her.
I don't know how exactly it went down.
She
And
said
she
I'm
was
a
like-
witch,
She
and
said,
I
"I am a
say
gypsy."
it's a girl.
She said I'm a gypsy yaya. That's what she
Which
said.
translates into I'm a witch.
I am a gypsy yaya, and it's a girl. It's a strong-willed girl.
okay, so mother.
That's
She
what,
can't be
that's
wrong.
what the gypsy
So
yaya
we don't believe in like witchcraft, but
Right, exactly.
but
Throw her in the lake.
But she's
Obviously
had
tried to
four.
away.
She's had 3 boys.
These two right here, this right here, this bright spot, and this right here.
Looks like a panini.
Honestly,
It doesn't look like anything. I
honestly-
get nothing from it.
how could she tell anything from this?
If you search up 3 lines on a sonogram, boy or girl, it's gonna tell you it's a girl. That's why I'm like, I think that's a girl. But here's the thing: we're only 13 weeks apart in these, or 13 weeks along in these photos.
But the gypsy.
But the Gypsy and Mommy's
We're only
more.
13 weeks along, and that area is still developing. So either it's gonna fold in on itself and be a girl, or
Okay,
it's going
don't
to
say that.
finish.
You
I've
can
seen
cut that
videos
out.
of how it
This is
develops.
way-
Either it's gonna fold in on itself or it's gonna finish. You don't need to put that in the video.
I know how it
I don't
works.
know how else to explain
I've
it.
seen.
You can't exactly
At
tell.
this point.
You can't exactly tell what it is with these
Isn't that
pictures.
right?
Okay,
So the lady could be wrong.
So the type of baby it is in the womb, it's most like Noah.
Nice. It's gonna be
Don't
dumb.
let it kick you.
Cut that out.
It's super active, and I'll show a video, you guys videos. This one's the heartbeat.
I'm really glad I heard that.
Noah could use that in some of his
Okay.
music.
I can make a
There's this
song
feet.
out of that.
Oh, I see that. Wow, that was weird. It's like a leg.
Okay, watch. Okay,
Full leg.
here's his leg or her.
It's
Look how it's kicking.
wow, that's a leg. That's a foot. Wow,
There's
that's
his head.
that's a baby.
There's his belly. See its hands?
Wow, that's a hand.
Wow, this is really cute.
I'm seeing that. How big is it right now? Like
Jonah!
It's just
big.
like a blob.
It's literally just a blob with
You
like
see its spine? Look, he twisted all the way around right there.
scary.
It's pretty neat.
He looks like something
How
that you
big
see
is
in a
it?
horror game.
Yeah, how big is
That
it?
like shows
This
up
big?
on like a projector.
It's about the size of a peach, so about this big.
Oh, that's whack.
Thank you for watching this baby announcement. We will be doing bump updates every Monday. Just remember, Mama Mondays. Mama Mondays.
Please comment, share, subscribe, thumbs up, follow on Twitter, and see you later, alligator.
Peace out, YouTube.
See you next time, YouTube.
Comment down below names for the baby.
Click these
Money.
rectangles to watch videos, click the circle to subscribe.